Welcome back to another one with RC Fambo in the place. Where we going, kids? We're gonna run. I don't know. We're not going to the park. That's what they think. We're gonna find some tarmac to drive the Nitro on. That's what we're gonna do. So y'all stay tuned and find somewhere. Well, maybe somewhere we've been before, because I don't want to go in the traffic right now. You know, so we try and keep it localized. You know. Alright, stay tuned, folks. People, we're at the RC stomping ground. We got some tarmac. And we're gonna get these RCs out the whip. Let's get these RCs out the whip. Let's go. Yeah, man, we're gonna set up all these cars. Get some fuel in the Nitro. There you go, baby. Y'all can start doing the thing. One for you. One for you. One for you. Show the camera that one. Where's your transmitter?
Right in the seat.
Oh, sorry son, stepping on it. One for you. Come on.
Thank you.
Alright, get back a bit. Let's see what I'm going. Go on, turn it on son. Ah, nice. Let's send them up there.
It's the biggest snail I've ever seen.
Alright folks, I'm gonna get my car up, put some fuel in it. Right. This is my Thunder Tiger. I put a rear exit exhaust on it with a silicone tube. Let's get the body off this thing. Right, so this is Daddy's whip. This is what Daddy's driving today. I moved the exhaust from the side. I didn't like the oil that it was getting on the side of the car, so I moved it, stick it out the back end. See what it looks like inside. Some juice. Yeah folks, we got the exhaust sticking out the back end now. See how it performs. Yeah. Hey, don't fall over, you know. Alright, not really a full tank, but I don't think I want to run a full tank today. 3/4. Got some fuel to take back home, you know. For those of you who don't know, this is the glow plug heater. Yeah, you have to use this if you want to start your Nitro car. Just leave it on there for a minute. It can get nice and hot, you know. See if we start up. And see what she sounds like with this big pipe on it. Are y'all ready? Alright, let's prime this thing first. If I can hold it steady. Nice vacuum. Alright, let's see if we can start it. proper. You know, yeah, shot from the side. Nice idle, right? Nice idle. I love the idle on this car. Nice and low. Alright, everybody's excited to see this thing running. I'm excited to see the smoke coming out the back of it. And that's all I'm here for today, is just to see the exhaust on the back of this car. Excitement, excitement, I love it. Let me give you a little close up. Yes, sir. What do I say? Hey, you like it? You can't race me. Alright, let's have a race, son. Alright, y'all can't see this thing. This car's crazy fast. Crazy fast. Right? We're trying to give y'all a go. I'm driving it with one hand right now. Alright, I'll put this tripod down and go crazy right now. Baby, drive yours too, yeah? Hey, this car is going nuts with this exhaust on it. Oh no, can't control it, you know. It's going nuts right now. Yeah? It's not dead yet though. Run it till it dies, my boy. You wanna try this one? Come on then. My baby's gonna try to drive this Nitro craziness. Come quickly before the fuel runs out. Here you go.
Thank you.
Take your time. No, it's not a joke. This will crash. You take gently, trying to go slowly. Come. Push up the brake, okay? There's no reverse, so the reverse is the brake. Look, the fuel's run out. Oh, that was fun. Should we do one more tank?
Yeah.
Yeah? Nah, let's go. Let's go and get it. Let's go and get it. It's a long walk to the car.
Daddy.
Yeah?
My battery is dying.
It's not dead yet though. No, it's too far away. That's why. If you stay close to yourself, you won't have that problem. Your range is going. Yes, my boy. Yes, my boy. Go on some more. Oh, out of focus. Go on. This one is the Cross Thunder by Revell. Yes, man. This one's rapid. Mr. Man loves this one. Yes, baby. Hey. Yes, so up no, son. You crashed it. Mr. Man's having fun. Alright, let me go and get my Nitro. My Thunder Tiger's lonely. You got it, baby? You have to pick it up because it's out of fuel now. Alright, folks. Thunder Tiger TS4N P12. I love this car. I'm going to put some more fuel in it and I'm going to give it another run. But for y'all, thanks for watching. Thanks for subscribing. Like, share, comment, all these things. Look, my exhaust is so fat. Look at that. Oh my word. We're loving it, man. We're loving it. Oil dripping out and everything. Plenty of fun. Oh, Sonny crashed. Alright. People, thanks for watching. See y'all later. Adios.
Bye.
Bye. Say bye, big boy. Bye. Alright, folks. Bye-bye.